guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's Vlogmas day 2, and oh my gosh, we're actually doing this. In today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you guys how I made my beautiful Vlogmas intro. If this is your first time joining this channel, you're welcome. To my old and amazing returning subscribers, thank you for all the support. I love you all. And before you make your Vlogmas intro, you first of all have to decide what kind of intro you want to go for. Are you trying to do an intro that you do without your picture? You know, an intro that just passes a message alone? Or are you trying to make an intro that has your picture and videos in it? So I wanted to have my picture in my intro. That's why I made this intro. I'm going to be showing you the apps you're going to be using and how to do it. So let's get into the video, guys. What I'm going to be using is the background eraser app. And I'm going to click on it. And then I go to create. When I go to create, my pictures will show. And I went and selected the picture. So this is the picture. And then it clears up the background. And I just want it to be 3-in-1, just like you saw before. After doing this, I would click on OK and then add picture. So from adding picture, I now click on the second one. After clearing up the background, you click OK, and then you can see it's layered on top of this. And I just keep it here, arrange it the way I want to. Because initially I thought that I was going to make it full. So I click on move down and it goes behind this one. Then I click on duplicate. I duplicate it, take it here and flip it. Turn it again, reduce it a little bit, bring it closer, go back to move down and it goes to the back. You know, I just keep tweaking it until the way I want it to be, you know. I keep tweaking it until I get it. And I think that's okay by me. I save it. And then you have it and then you're saved. So that's all for the picture. And then for the background, you can either get your background from Pinterest, but I got mine from Upsplash. From Upsplash. And you see it comes up because I already used it on splash.com. Just check for Christmas background. And then you can just go back. But these are absolutely beautiful backgrounds you can get for free. But choose any background you want. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. I'm going to go back to the picture I already have on my phone. So where you can get your free pictures are unsplash.com, pixel.com, or you check on Pinterest, or just check Google for free Christmas background pictures, and you can have it. So I'm going to make use of the Canva app. And then when you open the Canva app, YouTube intro comes up. And then you have that template. So it's loading. And then I can go to my gallery because the image is in my gallery. So I go to my gallery and check for the picture. So where is the picture? So this is the picture. And I add to page. So when I add it to page, you would have to make this picture fit in, you know, fit into, yeah. So you make it fit like that. You make it fit like that. So after doing that, it was just too bare for me. Like, I did not like it. It was too bare. I click on the purple plus sign. And then I went to elements on Canva. And then you just type Christmas decorations. And you would see plenty Christmas decorations. So you just choose on whichever one you want to add. You choose on it, Christmas decorations. So I chose this one, and then I'm just going to use this arrow to rotate it. Rotate it well. Rotate it, and then enlarge it a bit, and then take it to the corner over here. Then I keep enlarging until it gets to this up design. Then I duplicate it, take it to this other way, and flip. As you can see, flip horizontally, and there you have it. That's how I did that, and it was still looking bare for me. So I decided to go to the plus sign again, and I kept checking the Christmas decorations and just looking for a free one. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. But that's not the one I used. So you could just, you see, as I'm doing this again, I'm seeing more finer decorations. Yes, this is the one I used. So I reduce it, and take it to the corner. Reduce, and I just dropped it in the corner like that. Duplicate it, and take it over to this other corner. And yeah, at least it was okay for me now. And I saved it. And remember, this is a YouTube intro, so you save it as a video. You download it as MP4, not as an image. So I download it. So after downloading it, so I already have it on my phone, so I'm not going to download it again because I do not have space on my phone. I don't have space on my phone, guys. Oh, it's already downloaded. Okay, so after that, I click on the plus sign to create another page. And then I go back to get my second design. So I go back to gallery. Let me see if it's in upload. Okay, it's already uploaded here. If it's not uploaded here, you just go to your gallery and take the image. But since it's already uploaded here, I'm going to go to upload. And I click on the second image. And all I have to do, just like we did the first time, I enlarge it until it fills the screen. Enlarge it to fill up the screen. And we save. So after that, you save it. After saving that, you click on the next page, go back to the purple plus sign. Under uploads, I take in my second background. Taking the second background, enlarge it to fit into the template, to the YouTube video template. And you just tweak it the way you want it to be. When you're okay with how you want it to be, you just, save it. So now we are done with Canva app. So the next app I'm going to be using is called the CapCut app. So I just downloaded this app and it's freaking amazing. So I don't really have the hang of it. I've still not had the hang of it. New project. And then you select the first background. That's the first background, right? You add it to the screen. And then I click on effects, video effects. And let me go to my favorite so we just don't make this video long. And I love camera shake. So I just want the camera to shake. Oh my gosh. And we click on OK. And I adjust it to the end. So when you go to CapCut, after you put your video, you're going to see this ending. This ending is going to show you like CapCut ending. If you don't want that, you delete it. So I'm going to be deleting that. So I do the camera shake, then add another video effect. Let me go back to see what I did. I think it's the star ring. Yes, the star ring. That was what I did. and then I click OK, and then again you enlarge it till the end of the video, and then you can play. You see, that's how I did it. And next you go back, and then click on overlay, add overlay. Then the image you saved, you go to photos, this image you've saved, you add it. So I can now enlarge the image, and then I place it like this in the middle. And oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. And you take it again until it gets to this place. I'm going to equally add an animation to this. So let's see, in animation, I think it was the roll right. Yes, that's what I did. The roll right. And I clicked OK. So let's see it. And it comes in. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. So I go back, I go out, and then add effect. And we still add the shake, and I click on OK. Next, I add the text. So Canva has this text templates. I go to their text template, and I picked this welcome. So I liked that welcome template. I clicked on OK. I click on the welcome, edited the welcome itself, and just wrote my name, JANEBARL. And I clicked on OK. I can now reduce it. So I bring it here, enlarge. So I take it all the way and I enlarged it. So we now have, good. That was how I got my name and the first template. And then we go out of here and we click on the plus sign. So when we get here, we click on stock images, and I just pick this template and I add it. As I add it, I click on overlay. I click on overlay, add overlay, and we go to photos. We click on the image and we add it. After adding that, we leave there, and then we go back to text template. I'm gonna go to social media, title. I then picked this, removed the good looking, and I put welcome to, then I clicked on my comic image. I deleted that and I wrote Vlogmas. Vlogmas day 1. And then in this other smaller part, I removed it and I put happy holidays. So enlarge it to your desired length. Then you click OK and OK. So let's see that. Good. So that's how it came in. So I think then when you leave there, and now clicked on effects, I still took the camera shake all the way here. I still took the star rain all the way there. And we are done. Then now to the last clip. And we now go to the one we saved from Canva and add it. After adding it, I still took the video effect all the way again. This one too. Okay, no, this one I didn't use this one. This one I used snow hair. I used this crystal. So I used this for this. Then you leave there and then go back to text template, and then you go to social media and you see the like. You click on OK, and I don't want it to start there. I want it to start here, and I reduced it because I want to put like, share, and subscribe. So I reduce it up to here, like. Then I go in again, text template, and I see share. I click on OK, and then I reduce it again, and then I go back and I go into text template again, and I see subscribe. I click OK, and then the subscribe takes it to the end, and there you have it. So I now go to export video, and I take it to the highest resolution, and I export it. So it's exporting, and it's exported. Next we go into InShot. I love InShot. And then okay, I was editing the first Vlogmas day 1. Then you now go to new project. So the new project you just did, and because it's 13 seconds, I want to like shorten it a bit. Mine, I left it at 12 seconds, so that's okay for me, 12 seconds. But you can equally shorten it or lengthen it if you want. So just go to the speed and do that. So to add music that I want, so I shift this until it gets to where I want it to start. Let me see. Where you can get your free music, I just checked on YouTube, free royalty free Christmas music, and I got this. And get your free copyright free music from YouTube directly, from and yes, the audio library on YouTube, and you can just search for it on YouTube and just get it. So that's why I get it. So all I have to do is save this video first. And we're waiting. Oh my gosh. This takes forever, guys. So if you've watched up to here and you're still not subscribed, please click on that big red subscribe button below this video and join the family, guys. Don't forget to hit on the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And there it's saved. And oh my gosh, your Vlogmas intro is ready and done and ready for use. So guys, thank you so much for sticking with me, and now let's watch my intro again. Thank you for sticking with me. Please guys, kindly watch my ads, please. Like, I felt so depressed this morning when I saw my revenue is not moving. Please guys, help me. If you truly want to support my channel, please kindly watch my ads, kindly share my videos, kindly give my video a thumbs up, share it, and leave me a beautiful comment. If you enjoyed this tutorial, tell me, leave a comment down below. And yeah, see you all tomorrow on Vlogmas Day 3. Bye-bye. Enjoy the intro. So guys, when I posted my video yesterday on Vlogmas Day 1, I had a copyright claim, so I had to change the music on my intro. I used the same method in making my outro too. Kindly enjoy the video.